Welcome back, everybody. It is Easter Sunday. We're getting everything made in here. My pasta been sitting over there for a minute. Me and Tyler are making the macaroni and cheese right now. He's helping me shred the cheese. I'm just doing the oven baked macaroni and cheese. Yeah, you need more bubbles. I already got the ham in the oven. Potatoes are in the Instant Pot for mashed potatoes. And then I'm just gonna start some green beans and that's it. Oh, and we have rolls. It is really, really pretty out there. I had some different recipes I thought about trying, but it's a pretty day, so we're just doing the simple, yeah, Tyler said the simple, usual things, because we can get those done quick and get outside. Okay, so I got some butter in there, 2 eggs. I'm gonna use up this cheese that we shredded for the nacho bar night real quick, and we're gonna put a little bit of this pepper jack in here too. Not the habanero jack though, that stuff is spicy, y'all. I mean, I like it because I like spicy, but it's for sure spicy. If you don't like spicy, you will not like that one. Okay, go ahead and stir all that in, Tyler. And I'm gonna get a little bit of milk, about a cup of milk, and some salt. And I'm gonna spray this 9x13 casserole dish. And this is ready to go in the oven. I was gonna make a pineapple casserole, y'all, because I really wanted one to go with this ham. But I'm the only one who liked it, so I skipped it. But yeah, it would be really good with some ham.
Got eyes and a little face and his little nose.
Yeah, he looks nice.
Yeah.
You want me to cut it?
He cut his body.
It's okay. You're fixing to eat it.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, y'all, it is many hours later. It is now Monday afternoon. Me and Sissy and Manly are going to Aldi. Early this morning, I had to go report for jury duty. So y'all remember I got out of it back in February. They just deferred me through mail. I sent the little paper in and they sent me a thing back, and told me that I didn't have to come that time, but they would send me another summons for April. That was today. And I didn't think I was gonna get out of it this time. I thought I was gonna have to, keep going back all through the week, but the judge let me go again. And there were like so many people there. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna get out of it this time. I mean, it would be kind of, I would sort of like to do it, but not all week. If it was for one day, maybe, but not all week. Manly's playing with his umbrella. Are you ready to go to Aldi?
Yeah, but this umbrella is chasing me.
It's chasing. You ready to go look at the Aldi finds?
Yeah. Mommy.
These are nice bamboo kitchen organizers. It's little stackable shelves. That's neat. They're $9.99. And they have these Lazy Susan ones. I think, is it Lazy Susan? 2-tier turntable. Yeah, they spin. They have some of the fridge trays with the labels. They are $4.99. Glass canister, $12.99. They have the big one, or you get the 4-piece for $12.99. This is a 10-piece food storage set for $12.99. And then they have these containers, 3-pack pantry containers for $16.99. Oh, these are big bamboo drawer organizers, marked down to $9.99. Shepherd's hook for $9.99. Oh, they have these pogo jumpers again. Jonah and Sissy and Manly got one of these last year, and they loved them. They didn't last very long. They're $7.99. Oh, they have lots of bubbles. A recipe stand. I think they had these last week, $19.99. They have these Uglies kettle chips, salt and vinegar, or barbecue for $2.49.
I fit.
Oh, you fit in the buckle? Yeah, here, look. Are you sure you fit pretty good? It looks a little tight. red grapes are 99 cents a pound. Okay, y'all, we finished in Aldi. Now we're gonna go into Ingles real quick. And what is that in the road? I'm not sure. Oh, what happened? I think this lady didn't have her back of her SUV shut all the way. Oh, bless her heart. And her Milo's teas rolled out. They didn't bust though. That's a miracle. They did not bust. I was like, what is that? Because we just drove past that way and I saw two big things just, anyway, it was Milo's sweet tea. Okay, I gotta make myself a list real quick because if not, I will forget what I'm going in here for. Look at this Junior's cheesecake. Look at that price too, but they have these little bitties. All the Easter stuff is marked down. Peeps are 50 cents.
Look, we spotted an airplane.
Oh yeah, I see it. All right, y'all, we are back home. I'm gonna show y'all the Ingles stuff first. I got the rotisserie chicken because I need that for supper tonight. And I did get one of these Junior's little fella cheesecakes. We're gonna see how that is. It looks really good. It doesn't have crust. And that's what I'm loving about it, because if I eat cheesecake or any kind of pie or anything, I normally don't eat the crust. So we'll see if it's worth it. I'll let y'all know. I got some bacon in there. I got bacon from Aldi too, but this Laura Lynn thick slice bacon was on sale, so I grabbed a pack of that. I got some ground beef. Of course, it was too late for any meat deals, so I'll go back another day this week early in the morning to get some meat markdowns. I got 2 bags of shredded mozzarella cheese. The Pepperidge Farm cakes, Titus is still having a thing with those, so I think the kids ended up eating most of the last one. So I got another chocolate one, and I got a coconut one. He was looking for a coconut the other day, but they didn't have any, so I got that one. I got some curly fries, blackened turkey for sandwiches, and last week I had on the menu a fish and shrimp night, and y'all, I completely forgot to get any shrimp or fish or anything, so we didn't end up having that. So I got 2 boxes of these flounder fillets and 1 box of butterfly shrimp. I got this Rockview hazelnut creamer. I've been seeing this in Ingles a lot, but I've never tried it before. So I got the hazelnut kind. It's always on sale. I'll let y'all know how it is. They have several flavors. I got hazelnut. Then I got 2 gallons of milk, and Honey Nut Cheerios was on sale for $2.98, so I got that. And that's it from Ingles. Over here from Aldi, it's mostly produce. I didn't need a whole lot of stuff this week because last week we had, I know, at least 1 leftover tonight, maybe 2, and then we got pizza from Pizza Hut on another night. So like I told y'all, Titus is loving that New York style pizza from Pizza Hut. So anyway, I still had a lot of stuff for supper. So most of this is just produce and some favorite things. They did have these that I've never seen there before. It's the Yummy chicken nuggets. You know, we've tried their hot chicken fries before and they were really good. This box, it's 3.5 pounds, was only $10. At Ingles, I looked while we were in there because they do carry this Yummy brand, but their boxes are like a lot smaller than this one. I didn't look at how many pounds or anything it was, but they're smaller and they're right at $9. So I'm thinking that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, we've never tried the chicken nuggets before. It says it's made with crunchy panko breading, so we'll let y'all know how those are. I know the chicken fries are good, but they've only ever had the spicy ones, so only those of us who really like spicy like them because they are spicy. I got some of the Moo Tubes yogurts. The kids were starting to run low on yogurt. They're still, last week when I got the whips, they lasted a long time, so I think they're kind of tired of the whips yogurt. So got these cotton candy and melon berry Moo Tubes, 2 blocks of mild cheddar cheese, and I got some singles. Titus was asking for these the other night because he wanted a grilled cheese, but he didn't want it with this kind of cheese. He wanted it with that kind. We didn't have any. I don't love this kind, y'all, but he does. I like this right here, or either the real cheddar slices, you know, but especially Gouda. It's so good. Anyway, got that. We got some bacon, 2 pounds of sausage. The boys asked for some of the Summit Colas, so I got a case of those. Some laundry detergent and dish detergent back there. These honey wheat puffs, the kids say these taste just as good as the name brand, and they had them marked down to $1.99, so we got some of those. Of course, blueberry fruit and grain bars, and the chewy dipped peanut butter granola bars. We got some tea bags, sugar, chicken broth back there. Aldi has the best price on heavy cream, y'all. It's under $5, only like 4 something. I'm not sure how much it is at Walmart right now, so Walmart might be around the same price, but at Ingles, this size of heavy cream is almost $8. We got some cottage cheese, butter. Last week, I completely forgot to even mention the butter. I think I got 3 or 4 boxes of it last week. Aldi still has it on sale for only $2.49, but you can only get 6. And this week they were kind of low in stock, and so I wanted to, you know, make sure I left some for other folks coming in there to get some butter. So I just got 2, but yeah, $2.49. That is a great price. We got some of the spicy kettle cooked chips and baked barbecue, and then I think the rest is produce. Oh, I'm sorry, the bread and then produce. Just got some white bread and some of these deli rolls, some celery, tomatoes, cantaloupe, pineapple, squash, peppers, cucumbers, lettuce, some more lemons. There's a gnat trying to get on the squash. I got 2 packages of raspberries. They were on sale this week. I think they were $1.69. Some of the little tomatoes on the vine, bananas, green beans, and grapes. The grapes are going with what I'm making tonight with that rotisserie chicken. Can anybody guess what it is? Also, the curly fries are involved. It's also gonna be quick and easy because today has been a busy day, so we need quick and easy. That's why I got the rotisserie chicken instead of cooking my own chicken. We have leftovers from all the Easter food yesterday too, so if anybody wants that instead of what I'm making, we have ham, macaroni and cheese, and green beans still left from that, and rolls, but I think we cleared out the mashed potatoes.